Sa Bridges of Love na na-nominate kayo sa Emmys.
Ay, opo, yes. Thank you, Lord.
Speaking of busy, prior to concert, nakalis ka pa, di ba? So, kaya tayo na schedule.
Parang yung bigla, after namin mag-show sa Greece, yung One Kapamilya Go, ngayon naman, binabalik ang Kapamilya Fiesta World ng regional group. At ayun, nailagay din po ako doon. So bago mag-concert, nilipad din po ako papuntang room.
Early as now, we're promoting the concert.
Yes, as early as now, we're promoting Musiba.
And good news, we only have few left na lang. For the concert, yay! So, ayan. Who's going to ask the next question? Okay, so let's papagets. Alexa, you have a question?
Yes, it's a movie. So, parang end of the year for sure, makakanood na kayo ng teaser ng pelikula. Actually, kung manonood kayo ng Only Mana, may something doon. May something kaming surprise. So surprise if it's a person, a teaser, VTR or what, pero magiging part I'm Drunk, I Love You sa Only Mana.
This is other star cinema.
It's from yung producer po ng General Luna, Articulo.
Oh, okay, yes, Articulo. Okay. There you have a question? Okay, later. May follow-up question, G.